All right, Math 7. I did not anticipate being on 2 days in a row, so I wanted to give you a little bit of a guidance video if you were looking for it to help you with these problems, because I know they can be really challenging. So we're going to continue with word problems on two-step inequalities, and I'm just going to encourage you that anytime you have word problems, read the problem really carefully, more than once often. We're going to write, solve, graph, and check each inequality. We're going to be sure to define the variable before writing the equation. So here's our first problem, number 1. Leah needs at least, I'm going to highlight that, at least $240 to buy new headphones. She has already saved $30 and earns $14 per car that she washes. What is the least number of cars she can wash to buy the headphones? All right, so the goal is to buy the headphones, okay? And it sounds like they're going to be a minimum of $240 at the very least. So that's your smallest, and it could equal that one, right? Okay. We need to define a variable. So let's call C, we're going to call C number of cars. That means the number of cars she will need to wash, okay? And then, of course, this over here, we're going to graph our solution set, and it will represent, and we're going to put a 0 because she's not going to wash negative number of cars. In fact, I'm going to put a point right there instead of, we'll just leave that at that, and then we'll be able to show at the how many cars she'll need to wash, okay? So she could wash more and earn more than $240, right? Absolutely. So let's think about what this looks like. Oh, sorry, $14 per car. So she's got $14 times the number of cars she needs to wash, and she already has $30. So there I got you started. After you solve for C, remember, add or subtract first, multiply or divide second. Make sure you come over here and you substitute in a value that you believe will be greater than or equal to 240 to fit your inequality. Also, don't forget to come down to the bottom here, mark a couple numbers. Let's say 1, 2, 3. They're not going to be 4 numbers, but let's say your number that you end up with is a multiple of 20. So you might want to do 10, 20, 30, 40. You'll figure that out and then make your dot and show your arrow. All right, for number 2, Sylvia set a goal of saving at least, that's the smallest amount of money she wants to save in a savings account. She currently has $60 in the account, and she already has 60, and if she were to deposit $5 weekly from her allowance, how many weeks will it take her to reach her goal? So we're looking for the number of weeks. I'm going to define my variable number of weeks to meet goal. Her goal is 200. I'm not going to tell you which sign goes there, okay? And so your sign's going to go in right here. And then it looks like she's going to get $5 that's in repetition each week, plus she already has the 60. So now it's your job to find the sign that goes there. Go ahead and solve for the number of weeks, and then come over here and let's substitute something in. There, don't forget your sign there also. And then graph your solution. Again, we're not going to have negative weeks, are we? Okay. Sam earns a weekly salary of $300. He also earns a commission of $22 on each sale. What's the minimum number of sales he must make to have a total weekly pay of $550? Okay, number of sales. So let's just use N for our variable. Number of sales to make pay, the pay that he wants, okay? I'm going to need a graph. Now, he earns a salary of $300, so he starts with $300, and then he gets a $22 commission. So I'm going to let you put in your variable term right there. And he needs to make $550. So I would say he could make $550. He might make more, okay? So I'm going to let you go ahead and put this term in this time. And don't forget to check your answer choice. Kiara needs at least $4,800 to buy her first car. She's already saved half. If she saves $50 per week, what's the minimum number of weeks it will take her to save enough for the car? Okay, so we're going to use W, number of weeks to save. Okay? Now, she needs at the very smallest amount, the very smallest she needs is $4,800. And she already has half of that. She already has half of $4,800. So she already has $2,400. Okay, she already has $2,400, and she's going to do $50 per week. So that's your variable term. $50 times the number of weeks would give you the total amount that she saves. So we're looking for that minimum number of weeks at least that she needs. That many or more. Don't forget, write your equation, check your answer, solve your solution, graph your solution. Dylan decides to take his friends to a movie with his $50 of birthday money. He must take one adult with him. An adult ticket costs $9.75, and each child ticket costs $6.25. What's the maximum number of friends Dylan can take with him to the movies? Okay, he only has $50. He can spend only up to $50. He could spend less, but that is the absolute most that he can spend. And he's looking for the number of friends. So let's use F, number friends he can afford to take, right? That he can take, based on he only has $50. Now, the $9.75 is paid one time. The $6.25 is paid that much for each friend. Okay, I'm going to let you figure that one out and do that one more on your own. Now, number 6, you have $14 in your pocket, and a taxi has a ride fee of $5 plus an additional fee of 60 cents per mile. What's the most miles you could ride in the taxi without using all of your money? Mileage is rounded up if you stop before a complete mile. So when you take a taxi, there is no paying but for a partial partial mile. Once that next mile starts, you're in the mile and you pay for that mile. It doesn't have to get halfway to the next mile. Once it goes past 2 miles, you are paying for a third mile. Once it moves past 3 miles, you're paying for a 4th mile. Okay? So, to find the variable, what is the most miles? So let's use M, and it's the number of miles he can ride in the taxi, right? Don't forget to graph it, write your inequality, and test your answer. I hope this was helpful. I wanted it to be helpful. I wanted to be able to be there and support you. And I will see you on Thursday.